Welcome to the unboxing of this highly detailed 1/18 scale model of the Lamborghini Urraco, produced by Kyosho. Kyosho is known for its craftsmanship and precision in model making, and this Lamborghini Urraco is no exception. The model comes in a secure styrofoam box, ensuring it arrives in perfect condition. The model includes a removable storage compartment cover and the spoiler, which comes separately in the package. Kyosho ensures these parts are provided separately to ensure the model arrives in perfect condition, without any damage to these delicate components during transit. This striking model replicates the legendary Lamborghini Urraco Rally version, captured in its iconic yellow. The original car, a symbol of 1970s automotive innovation, roared to life in 1974, marking a bold chapter in Lamborghini's history. You'll notice that the pop-up headlights and trunk on this model are taped down. This is done intentionally to keep them secure during transit, so they don't open up and potentially get damaged. It's a common practice, especially for delicate parts like these. I'm really impressed by how the cover fits perfectly into place. Look at those panel gaps, they're absolutely spot on from every angle. It's always nice to see that level of precision in the design. Just like the storage compartment cover, it fits right into the holes perfectly. Everything aligns just as it should, showing the high level of craftsmanship. Now, stepping back to admire the whole model. Isn't it just beautiful? Every detail comes together so well, it's truly a work of art. Now, let's flip the model over. On the bottom, you'll notice a little switch right here. When you slide that switch, watch what happens, the headlights pop up. How cool is that? Once the headlights are up, you can gently press them down with your hand, and they close smoothly. It's such a satisfying mechanism that really showcases the attention to detail in this model. Alright, now that we've checked out those cool headlights, let's move on to the front storage compartment. Let's take a closer look at the details here. It's really well designed, and you can tell a lot of thought went into making sure everything looks and feels just right. Next, let's take a look at these openable doors. Both side doors can be opened, and it's a great way to show off the interior details. The interior is incredibly detailed. You can even see the Momo logo on the steering wheel, just like in the actual vehicle. The dashboard is meticulously crafted, with a detailed manual gear shifter and all the other tiny features that make this model so impressive. The attention to detail here is totally awesome and really brings the model to life. Now, let's check out the openable engine cover. When you lift it up, you'll get to see the engine underneath. And wow, the detail is incredible. Every component is meticulously crafted, reflecting the same level of precision as the rest of the model. It's really impressive to see how much attention has been paid to making the engine look so realistic. Let's take a closer look at all the fine details. Just a quick tip, with delicate models like this, it's always recommended to use the door opener tool to avoid any damage. It helps keep everything in perfect condition while you explore all the intricate features. The Lamborghini Urraco holds a special place in automotive history. Launched in the early 1970s, it was designed to be a more affordable Lamborghini, yet still packed with the performance and style the brand is known for. Its mid-engine layout and sleek design made it a standout on the roads, and it remains a beloved model among collectors and enthusiasts. For those interested, this model also comes in different colors in the road version, giving you a choice to own a piece of Lamborghini's legacy in different styles. Whether you're a die-hard Lamborghini fan or a collector of fine-scale models, this Kyosho Lamborghini Urraco is a must-have. You can purchase this and many other premium models on our website, www.scalearts.in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more unboxings and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.